Well, I'm going to do an updated toolbox tour of my On KRA 5319. Got the magnetic S down there on the bottom drawer. Got my chargers up here. And I got this big power strip. Won't ever charge something up here to run power tools. So start off the top drawer. Start in the back. I got some Snap-on 3/8 drive metric impact sockets in the back. Just some random 1/4" hex bits and a security bit. Got some these back here are Craftsman, and these up here are Snap-ons. Some Snap-on semi-deep SAE, and the Snap-on shallows. Snap-on deeps, and some more Snap-on shallows. And set of Snap-on deep metrics, 3/8 drive, and these are Blue Point, but don't really matter to me. They just finish out the set. I don't think I've ever used a 20mm, so it's alright. Snap-on set here, missing the 15/16 and the 1", but that's alright. Snap-on 3/8 drive and 1/4" set, Snap-on hex beak set, 3/8 drive, gear wrench, 1/2" hex set, SAE impact swivels. This set's like brand new. Metric, deep impacts, big set. Love this set. The 1/2" semi-deep SAEs. Some more Blue Point sockets. Big 22mm, 21mm, 22 and a 21. Matco sockets all here. These are all Matcos up here, so let me get you a big view of the drawer. Alright, here got some Harbor Freight, Ladyfoot, pry bars, some scrapers, Snap-on scraper, rigid carbon scraper, and a little pry bar, and some chisels. Blue Point tire repair kit, and some files, and Snap-on this old for you. This is just an old tap set, so all Snap-on punches except for this one. That's a Mac. Some Dasco Pro punches. These are cheapo Snap-on, and Snap-on cheap. The shiny ones are cheap ones. Snap-on multimeter. Love this thing. Just a Cornwell scanner. This is my light. That was for something else. That don't matter. My Snap-on test light. This is my electrical drawer. I just keep a bunch of stuff in here for doing electrical repair, batteries, fuses. Hammer drawer, Snap-on, green 24-ounce, 16-ounce Mac, Blue Point, and Snap-on mallet. Filter wrench, C-clamp, and this is a puller for a Polaris razor, clutch, and this is just a universal puller. Right here you got my ratchet drawer. This is a SK impact driver. All these are Snap-on right here. Got my Matco ratchet. I use it all the time, along with this big one right here, Comfort Grip, Craftsman, and a Mac. Here are my extensions. Screwdriver drawer. I got my big trim panel tool back there. My Matco trim panel tool, Snap-on trim panel tool, Snap-on thing, and this is a Snap-on with the Snap-on sticker stuck on there. My big Snap-on screwdriver set right here. Snap-on pick set and a Snap-on miniature tip set and a Snap-on ratcheting screwdriver. You're probably wondering where are the bits. The bits are down here. We'll get to that. My power tool drawer, Snap-on cordless screwdriver. The rest of my batteries are up here. Snap-on impact wrench, Snap-on light, and Snap-on ratchet. Oh, I got the Milwaukee Sawzall and the drill. Yeah, big set of vice grips. I bought that off the Gear Inch truck. Snap-on tape. Some glass cutters under there. Feeler gauge. Small crescent wrenches. All these are different brands. All made in the USA. Snap-ons. Needle nose, Blue Point. Wire cutters. Fast wire, speed wire strippers. Coax crimpers. C-clamp crimpers, butt connector crimpers, Matco push-pin pliers, Snap-on big dikes. Oh, just some air impacts. I hardly ever use this. Craftsman torque wrench, Snap-on torque wrench, die grinders, butterfly. Or like, yeah, 1.5" proto wrench, a big Snap-on ratchet, Snap-on torque wrench that I use the most, and my big Snap-on pry bar. Wrenches, 10 to 19, and then some ratcheting craftsman wrenches. These are junk. I never use them, but they're junk, so. Never use these. I don't think I've ever touched them, except the ones that I've lost. If I've used them, I've lost them. Some ratcheting wrenches. I love these gear wrenches more than these Craftsman's. I just hate the Craftsman's. The wrenches I use the most, I got a Snap-on set here, and big SK. Most of my wrenches here. Set that was pretty damn nice, but I lost some of them. Cenex, SK, Snap-on. My big drawer here. Alright. Right here. Snapper and collar set. Puller. As for pulleys on GM trucks. This is my bit set for my ratcheting screwdriver and my cordless screwdriver. It's a Blue Point. So and these suckers. Oh, I don't even know if I can get that out without breaking something. I will just leave it. That's my 1-inch set. I got engine 5/8 to 2.5 inch. And then some more sockets. I got an adapter here. Go from 1 inch to 3/4. And then my drill bit set. And then Snap-on. Take another tape measure. Well, that's my toolbox, guys. So, comment what you think. Goodbye.